Hey everyone, welcome to International Worship.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button below.
The desert is long and the weary road is deep, but I have a promise I will keep. I look at the walls and the strength they seem to show, but inside my soul there's a voice they do not know. 7 days of waiting, 7 days of sacred trust. In the quiet of my spirit I see diamonds in the dust. I don't need a sword, I don't need a shield of gold. My faith is the power that makes my heart so bold. They will fall, the walls of my fear will crumble away. They will fall when the sound of the trumpet defines a new day. It's the roar of the victory, the voice of my King. The path is now open, let all heaven sing. Jericho is fallen, for when God's hand is there, the impossible bows in.